everybody, Kenta here, and today I want to quickly show you how you can add a colored background to any Zoom recording, Zoom call, so that you can share on social media or any other marketing or sales initiatives that you might need to take your Zoom calls and make it look a little bit nicer, maybe use some company or brand colors. Of course, the first thing is you need to have a Zoom call recording. I did a call with a friend about taxes for for freelancers, so I'm going to use that one. Here it is.
Also open an individual 401k. Okay.
So that's the clip. So how I'm going to add a background to it is I'm going to use a tool called Milk Video. Now, there's a couple other ways of doing it. For example, you can totally throw it into Adobe Premiere and try to do it that way. But I always find these browser-based tools that are made for simplification to be the best. So I'm just going to walk you through how to do this with this tool so that you can save some time. So once you sign up with Milk Video, I already have an account. It takes you to this dashboard. And from here, you're just going to take, let's see, where's my clip? This video clip here. And I'm going to just drop it in. It's going to take a little bit to both process, compress, and fully transcribe your audio. But I've already done that earlier here. So let's just use this for example. So this is my call with my friend, just one section of it. And one cool thing about this tool is you can edit actually through text. So you are editing from the text directly into the video. And what this also allows you to do is add captions, which we all love. So I'm going to take this little clip of it. I'm going to clip section, which then turns into this little side area to the left. It has the clip. I'm going to create as video. I'm going to just bypass all of this really quickly, and it's going to take me to the actual video editor. I'm going to show you right here how easy it is. So already you can see there's a colored background. So boom, ta-da, you're done. But let's say you just want to rearrange this a little bit, make it look a little bit different. There we go. Let's see.
Never have I introduced myself that way, but today I am hanging out with...
Perfect. Okay, so in order to change the color, I'm going to come over to here on the right to brand. There's a couple different ways to do it. If you just want to go with the flow, then you can use what's called themes. And these themes are essentially pre-built in colors that you'll see here. The way I got to here is I just clicked out of the side brand area. And I can actually just pick and choose pre-built colors, which is really awesome. Honestly, I'm digging these color combinations here. This is, of course, really simple and elegant. But let's say you do want to change to something custom. So if that's the case, you can come here, click on fill. You can change it to whatever color you want it to. If you want to change the color of the type, you can also do that. You're going to come in here to inactive, which is when it's not hovering over the text, and active is when it is. I can choose the color here. Let's do something like that. And then the fill color, let's do red. I don't know, it's going to make it really pop, fuchsia. So then you can see the difference.
Never have I introduced myself that way, but today I am hanging out with
So it's really as simple as that to add a cool little background in order for you to throw this up on YouTube or LinkedIn, or again, share in any other way. Once you're done with everything and you like the way it looks, all you have to do is come over here, save and share. It'll tell you the logistics, the format, dimensions, video quality, and export time. Then you're going to just click Start Export. It's going to take a little bit to process and export the video. Again, it said it's going to take about a minute. Once that video is done, it's going to email you and tell you that video is ready to download. For any video that is ready to download, you're going to come over here to the left side, as you can see. You're going to click downloads, and then you'll be able to see whatever other videos you have worked on, as well as this video that is being processed right now. And from there, you're just going to click over. I'm going to do a video that has already been processed. You're just going to click download, and then it's going to take you to this section. It's going to show you this clip, so you can double click that and save video as, and just save it as an MPEG 4. That's it. Hope that's helpful, and that's going to help you turn your Zoom calls, your webinars, whatever it is, add a cool background to it, and put it out there for your potential clients to see. All right, take care, everybody.